Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Simple Daddy. Most of us has been work from home since the circuit breaker announced in April this year. Working environment is one of the factors that affecting our work efficiency, especially the economic working desk. Today, I'm going to do the unboxing video on office chair that I just bought. I bought this chair because the current chair that I'm using is broken. Most of us need to spend a longer time on the working desk to do our daily tasks. Therefore, I believe a good chair is very useful to support our body weight and our back texture. Before I start, I appreciate that if you can click the subscribe button below to support my channel. Thumbs up for your guys and let's start. Okay, let's start. Wow. Alright, let's see what do we have inside the box. Small box, I believe these are accessories like bolt and nut. Let's put it on the floor. This is the bag that supports the support. This is an armrest. Okay, this is the installation drawings. So this is cushion. Cushion with installation drawings. A base made of steel. This is the headrest. The dashboard. Okay, that's it. So let's take out all the bubble wrap. Let's see what do we have inside this box. One, two, three, 5 roller. Gas lever, screw, and the anchor bolt. So it's just a pretty simple installation. We have all the things here. So let's start. The first step is to put in the roller onto the underrail. Not bad. Okay, to install this roller onto this handrail is pretty simple. You just need to insert it inside. So the bearing here, it will click onto this hole. So what you need to do is just press it. See? Yeah. So continue to do the rest. Okay, the base is ready. So the second is we install the gas lever and the dashboard onto the handrail. Yeah, so I think that's it. So far so good. Okay, next step is to put on this one onto the cushion. come to the last part, we need to put on the headrest. Alright, it is done. Let me show you the broken part of the current chair that I'm using. Look at this. If you put some pressure here, you could see crack. The crack have appeared at both sides at this joint. Alright, red chair, bye bye. And we are going to welcome the blue chair. This is a red chair that I'm currently using, that it is broken. It's not able to support my body weight, especially in my back. And welcome to the blue chair that I newly bought. I hope you can last longer than the red chair. And please be nice to me. This chair is pretty comfortable and I feel it able to support my weight. Look at this, how flexible it is, and you can lock this, and when you are doing the job, so the body texture is always ergonomic. The installation of this chair is not complicated, but it's also not simple. We always need to have some experience to do this kind of job to make our life more interesting. Let me know in the comment below what kind of chair that you are currently using. Alright, that's it about the video for today. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye. Yeah, before I end this, let's keep everyone stay safe, stay home, and stay healthy. Thumbs up for you guys.